All right, we're back out here at the garage. Working on the Nemo Ranger. Got the dash out. I'm gonna show you the mess that we've got. This thing is a crazy nightmare underneath this dash. So we're getting ready to go to the store, buy the supplies that we need. Me and Packsta are. Yeah, let me just show you this mess. I think I'm gonna go through, delete some things. I gotta get this thing ready for a car show here in a couple of days. Car show is on Saturday and it's Wednesday. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Say hi, Packsta. Oh yeah, he's back there. He is. Yeah, let's show you this disaster. Oh, get in here. All right.
Hey, there he is.
Here's this disaster. That is the ECU that used to sit behind the driver's side wheel in a cubby hole that no longer had a space, so we had to put it under the dash. That is the fuse box that used to sit underneath the hood that we mounted up underneath here. The firewall was pieced together when we did the body drop. We're going to have to do some work on it, probably paint it now that I have some time. Get some rolls of tape so we can get this bundle of mess of wires fixed, and fix this connection over here which goes to the ignition. And gonna have to try to hopefully fix some of this stuff that you can see is just a total, complete disaster. And it is a disaster. I mean, it is nuts. But we'll be back and we'll film us trying to fix this disaster. Trying, as we say. Trying. So, this is going to be great. We'll be back. What I have here on the table is the interior harness to the Ranger. We pulled it to go through and delete some of the bad wires and fix some of the issues that looks like were some bad problems. I'm going to go ahead and strip some of the wires that weren't needed. Get some of the things out of here that we're not going to use anymore. The ABS control computer is no longer needed. We're not going to use the door chimes at all. Also, there's another computer that's not getting used anymore. And the control box for the heating and AC element. It's not going to be needed for this truck anymore, as well as trying to fix a couple other little pieces. I'll get that taken care of. I'm gonna set us on a time lapse and you get to watch me as I take care of trying to get this done. All right. All right, so we're gonna finish up today. It got really hot, so we're done playing with the harness for today. We're in the AC. Got the harness pretty well separated. We'll get back with you in about a day or so and complete the harness, get it all wrapped up, get everything finished up, hopefully get it back in the truck, and hopefully get the truck running before Saturday, before the car show. Just like me, to wait till the last minute to try to do shit.
And I had to talk him into bringing it here just to do it.
Yeah. I was supposed to do this like 2 weeks ago, and we got busy. So, shit happens. Life goes on. So, yeah, well, dash isn't going back in, but that'll come another day. We'll show you what's going to happen with the dash. We'll get there another day. That's another project, another time. And we'll get back with you later, and we'll see you guys later.
See ya.